Welcome back to Heart of Carolina Perspectives. We just heard about the need for food this time of year from the two food banks that benefit from the Heart of Carolina Food Drive. Now we want to talk to the people who make this food drive possible, our sponsors. Joining us today, we have Kathy Kostenbader, the Vice President of Merchandising and Marketing at U.S. Foods. We have Denise Holliday, Human Resources Coordinator for Kroger, and Amy Baldwin, the Community Relations and Events Manager for BASF. Ladies, thank you so much for coming in.
Thanks for having us.
Well, we want to get to each of you respectively, so we'll just kind of go down the line with these questions. But first, just talking about why your companies wanted to get involved with this project. So, Kathy, what drew you guys to this? You're new this year, I might add.
We are. Social responsibility is kind of woven into the fabric of our company and really extends into the way we do business. We're food people. It's what we do. It's what we love. And it's what we're passionate about. And we're committed to keeping kitchens cooking and putting food on the table. And for those that don't have the means to do so, we want to make sure that we do everything within our means to make sure that our community has enough food to live a healthy, productive life.
Yeah, well, we certainly appreciate U.S. Foods being involved this year. So welcome to the team, and thank you for helping to make this possible. And what about Kroger? Kroger has been so involved for years. What keeps you guys coming back, and what has made you do it again this year?
Well, our customers, they are so generous with supporting the food bank, not just for the Heart of Carolina. We are a year-long collection site, and our customers love it. So important for our customers to know that whatever they are donating is staying local, and I think that's made it a huge success. And because of their generosity, the Kroger company, we have been recognized as a humanitarian partner with the food bank, so that in itself is such an honor. So we look forward to what we can collect this year.
Yeah, and I'm not surprised because the people here are so kind and generous, so you get to see that in your stores firsthand, so that makes sense. Yes. And Amy, what about you? What about BASF? What made you guys want to get involved with it?
At BASF, we are in the agriculture division here, and so we work with farmers to make sure that they get food on the tables of our growing population, that everyone has food. So for us, it's a natural fit, and we are especially passionate about reducing hunger in our community.
Yeah, well, and how are you going about doing that then? So what efforts are already underway? What is BASF doing right now to try to get this moving forward?
For us, it's a year-long effort. We actually start in the spring. We conduct a virtual food drive, so our employees donate their personal funds, then BASF matches it. And why we do that is because $1 for every dollar that we donate, whether it's corporate or personal, the food bank can actually extend that and expand that into 5 meals or $10. So we feel passionate about that, and then we participate in the annual Sortarama at the food bank. So 150 of our volunteers join forces with other corporate volunteers to bag food and sort food, which results in about 176,000 meals. And now at this time of the year, we're supporting the Heart of Carolina Food Drive so that we can also participate in the actual food drive and get our community members involved. And it's about neighbors helping neighbors.
Absolutely. I'm so glad you mentioned that not only how far the dollar can be stretched, but that there's a need for volunteers, just like your company is doing. So you guys are setting an excellent example. Denise, what about you guys? What are you doing right now in all of your stores? You mentioned that you likewise have kind of a year-long effort underway.
We do. Actually, our company sponsors 2 times a year weeks of community service, where we really encourage and have our associates involved in volunteering at the food bank and really kind of educating them so they're involved, and it just means that much more to them to support it. So right now what we've been doing is getting the Feed the Hungry boxes together. So customers, if they don't have time to shop or they want to donate something, they can pick up a box that's already ready for them for under $10, and we make it very easy.
Well, and you know firsthand then, I mean, that these are items that they really could use, so it kind of takes that guesswork out of it. Kathy, before we're out of time, what are you guys doing, and how are you kind of encouraging these efforts?
We actually have 3 different avenues. The first is our employees. We have over 500 employees at the Raleigh division, so we're asking them to join us in the fight against hunger. We also have our vendor business partners, and these are the people that we purchase food from that we sell to our customers. So we're asking them to come alongside us and help donate as well. And then we have our customers customer base. We actually sell to over 4,000 customers within our distribution footprint. So as our drivers are making deliveries over the upcoming weeks, they'll have a flyer that will really talk about the campaign, the goal, the 6 million pounds of food that we need to raise. It'll give them information about the drop-off points, and if for some reason logistically they can't get to a drop-off point, we've got a list of items that they can purchase through U.S. Foods, and we'll deliver it on their behalf.
Awesome. Wonderful. Well, ladies, again, thank you to you for coming in and also to your companies. ABC 11 Together calls it Get Together Against Hunger. So when you're hosting a party this holiday season, ask your guests to bring a donation of canned food or cash for the Heart of Carolina Food Drive. You can get this Evite by going to our food drive page, the web address abc11.com/food. A great way to put special meaning into your holiday get-together. And you can deliver those donations during the annual Heart of Carolina Food Drive drive-through. We'll have 4 locations in Raleigh. We're at a new location. This year we'll be at the Kroger at 350 East Six Forks Road. In Durham, we'll be at the Kroger at 3457 Hillsborough Road. In Cary, the drive-through will be taking place at the Kroger at 1273 Northwest Maynard Road. And in Fayetteville at the Highland Shopping Center, that's 2800 Rayford Road. We'll accept donations from 4:30 a.m. to 8 p.m. that night. That's our time today. Thanks so much for watching.